Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Jason and Lisa. This time it's just me. Today we're going to be covering one of my favorite snacks that we make, which is peanut butter protein bars. They're really healthy when made at home, so I want to show you how we do this. Roll the intro. Before we get started, let's quickly walk through the ingredients we're going to use for these protein bars. Vanilla extract, a half a cup of honey, 1 cup of peanut butter, 1/4 cup of peanuts, 1 cup of protein powder, vanilla flavored, Are you done now, coffee maker? 2 cups of old-fashioned oats and a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. First step is to put the oats in the Vitamix along with the peanuts. And we will blend this up to a fine powder. Now that we've got the oats ground up in the Vitamix, first thing we'll do is put the peanut butter in, then we'll add the honey. Now we'll add just a little of the coconut oil to help blend this. Now that that's blended a bit, we'll take some vanilla extract. Now we'll start adding the oats. So now that we've got it mixed, the easiest way to finish this is to get in with your hands, make a big ball, so to speak. I'm going to take some parchment paper. We'll use an old-fashioned roller. I think this roller is about 100 years old. Was used by my great-grandmother, I believe. When I roll this out, we want it to have more or less the shape of a rectangular pan. Okay, so that looks good now. What we will do next is place it on this pan. And then we're going to put this in the freezer for about 30 minutes or so, and then we will slice it into bars. The bars have been in the freezer for about a half an hour now, so it's time to take them out. We've taken them off the pan, and we will take this really large butcher knife, which is great for slicing these up. We're going to make bar slices out of this. There we have it. Of course, we got to have a sample. In our household, these do not last long. I will say that to store them, we recommend storing them in the fridge, not for spoiling's sake, but just the fact that they seem to taste better when they're colder and they remain a little set up. When they sit out for a bit, they tend to get a little softer and runny. So that's all for the protein bars. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace out.